our breaking news is our activity adventure kits. And today I'm going to show you beginning birding. This wonderful kit, you get your very own pair of binoculars that you can see things 3 times larger than they actually are. You get this wonderful bird feeder kit that's made out of recycled wood. All you need is a hammer. If you want to get more birds, how about a hummingbird? This little kit is wonderful because you get to make this little flower-like thing, and hummingbirds love the color red. It has this tube for you to put the nectar in, and then you can hang this from a flower, your fence post, or maybe one of your other bird feeders, and hopefully you too will be able to see some hummingbirds. And to help you out with that identification, we have our Friends of the Domes homemade bird bingo kit. Comes with 5 cards and 25 bingo pieces. So you'll get this and you'll be able to identify birds right away. And even to help you further, this fantastic take-along guide, which is Birds, Nests, and Eggs, gives you lots of information, a few activities, and some wonderful pictures all about birds. And then the last thing you have is, as you're looking out at your feeders that you just put up, you can put these wonderful window clings right on the window, and that way if you see a bird come up, you can go, oh, look, that's a house finch. Cool, we got a Baltimore Oriole. Fantastic! And that is your beginning birding activity adventure kit